Here's a cool new side skirt for you Honda guys, Civics and Integras. This one's the OMG version PCI side skirts with vents. So check this out. This is something that you'd see in like Super GT. Obviously a little smaller, but this is a 3-inch version, which I absolutely love for street use because it doesn't hang down too low where you end up hitting it. But we got 4 extractors right here, and behind this wall is actually just a big tunnel, all right? And that kind of sucks in air or sucks out air to the back right here. And there's a little kick like a gurney flap, and that kind of acts like a little extractor to guide all the air out this way, and it ejects it to the back tire right here. And it's mounted with these, I forgot what thickness brackets we use, but dude, it's not moving. This is actually thicker than the typical PCI side skirt. So this is gonna cost a little bit more than the typical side skirts that Brian sells at PCI, but it looks absolutely insane. And the curvature follows the OEM lines right here. So a little heavier, a little bit more robust, but it looks so much better. And these will be available soon. Just DM PCI to see if it's available for your car and see if you can get them. Super freaking sturdy, dude. I love this look. Though I am going to wrap that so it doesn't stick out too much like this. Just too much black going on the side right there.